Welcome to Jola's IT Zim. Today I'm going to show you how to install and activate the TPS Flash Tool in simple stages. Let's get started. This is the software that we want to install right now. Then double click to open the zip folder. Go to the option wizard. Then go to the option finish. Then click finish to extract to the desktop. The zip folder will automatically open itself. As you can see right now, we have these three items: this login details, and TPS Flash Tool that we are going to install. Don't forget we have a keygen. Then double click it to start installation. We have this diagram pop up. Need to put a password. Then go to the login details. Then open login details. So we want to put our password here to get started with our installation. So then go to the password and highlight the password only. This is a password. Then click copy and go back to the box and click paste. Then click next. Then click this box to create a desktop launcher. Wait until the installation is finished. Then click finish. The software will soon open automatically. As you see right now, we have this diagram box pop up to fill in the username and activation key. This is where many people are worried about how to get past it. We have a username, activation key, hardware ID. This is not a problem. Let's go back to our folder that we talked about earlier, keygen. This is a keygen folder. Then open the keygen folder. Then double click to open this. Here we see that we have once again opened a small diagram box which will help us activate our Flash tool. We have this hardware codes. Then highlight these hardware codes and copy it. Go to the hardware ID again and paste it. Here go to the option generate. This is the option generate to generate our keys. Then click generate. As you see right now, the keys appear here, and then click copy. Now the key are copied. Then click OK. Then go to the option activation key. Then click paste. Go to the option username. Then to the option username, type as you see right now, Mkoma Jola. As you see right now, Mkoma Jola, and then go to the option activate now. And click it to the option activate. As you see right now, the steps are simple to do. Just follow my steps. Thank you guys for watching this video. I always encourage you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also to connect with us on WhatsApp as usual. Thank you guys for watching this video. Goodbye. We'll see you again together.